This is the enhanced Bank of America Life Plan, a more powerful, streamlined way to create, track, and fund your goals with personalized tips tailored to you and your unique needs. Seamlessly integrated into Bank of America's mobile app and online banking, Life Plan helps you prioritize short and long-term financial goals, break them down into achievable milestones, and adjust as life changes. To get started, just access Life Plan through your mobile app or in online banking. Then, simply select what is important to you to see paths and tools for the journey you're ready to start, whether that involves saving or investing. Whether you're looking to buy a house, improve your credit, or plan for retirement, Life Plan will give you empowering step-by-step checklists for our most popular goals, as well as helpful tools and education relevant to your needs. You get a more personalized experience with insights tailored to your needs. With the new Your Plan page, you see a consolidated view of your goals' balances as you work toward them. And now, in addition to funding your goal from your qualifying Bank of America banking account, you can also do so from your Merrill investing account. You can even update changes to your goals with just a few taps. And while Life Plan offers convenient mobile and online banking options, you can always connect with a financial specialist for personalized guidance when you need it. So log in or talk to an associate to explore the enhanced Bank of America Life Plan today. What would you like the power to do? Bank of America.